Sobraan nila cloud seeding. Bagyo noon.
We're boarding! Siya!
Video mo na yan, binang picture.
You're still ahead of our scheduled time of departure for your convenience. It's 48.
Hi guys! Kasi cloud chaser tayo. We're gonna bag rate this. So, first off, alcohol. Keychain. Keychain ni Kitty. Wala kang keychain. Ati-ati. And then, chuk-chak. And then, first, sunglasses. Gusto nyo pa makita sa loob. Charot. Ayan. It's there. And then, priorities. Big 40 pops. Next, this is pasabay na makeup ng aking friend. Next, kailangan nito in-ears. Pwede ko nagamit sa flight ng in-ears. Kailangan. Merong mysterious na multivitamins. And of course, sharing is caring para sa hotel. Wala ka, no? And then, wallet and cards. A gimbal. Lang lang, yan. Then, natapon. Pakuha, please. Nag-iisa na lang siya, so may refill tayo. And, Starbucks GCs. Pero sa Philippines lang, hindi na magamit yung mga country. Next, mini chuk-chak. Ano pa ba? Sanitary kit. Meron ka. Okay. Sige, thank you. Share din tayo dyan, kaya ako gi-large. Ito, meds, secret pouch. And then this one is, anong naman ng pouch na to? Oops! Skyflakes and candies. Siyempre, mag-travel tayo dapat complete. Na ano? Wait lang. Next, another pouch. Oh, ilang pouch na yun? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano naman ito? I-reveal natin. Woo! Mask, old passport, book, notebook, and notepad. Diba? Hanggang dito work ko din. So, oh no! And then, charger, comb. Uy, another adapter. And then, yan na. Yan. And then, kalat, meds. So, ito, I found something. Jolly Jelly. Ping pong ball. Pablo ka sa Ligikan, sa Campus Con Panilas, February. Oo, so, wala dito nag-limpit bag. Next, passport. Tapos, few cash. And, lotion. Galing sa Hilton noong 2022. So, wait. Nail cutter. Hair tie. So, that's it for my bag rate. Yay! So, yay! Modern nilang kwarta, guys. It's cold. Bantog ra nag-change ang kwarta sa Philippines. Para sila kuan. Para sila quality.
Material.
Kani murag tong karaan na to na 1,000 nila ang material. Kani tong bago. Shiny. Kani karaan. Ano lang, di ba? Unta para mabusog ka ni.
Opsy. Yes. Yes, Opsy.
So hi guys, 6 hours to go before our flight for this trip. I wasn't able to cover much about our trip coming here to Manila because we always do that. Pero ito kasi first time namin mag-international trip ng aking husband together with our friends. So let's see what's gonna happen in the next few days. Hopefully it's fun. We're packing. We're packed actually, but I'm gonna leave some stuff here so that I won't bring heavy things abroad. So yeah, get ready with me.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
We're on our way to the airport. Sa Picas. Ready? So guys, immigration time.
Uy! Sa taas.
Cellphone. Baka may kachat ba?
Kasi may kachat. Dagdag kachat rin.
Let's go! Woohoo! Here we go! Hey, we're going now. Dinner and gift from Salamat sa JC's. Thank you. Wonder bag. What? Where are you going?
King Kong.
Where are you going?
Jordan.
Gaano ka katalino, ha? Nice boarding pass. Pinagbabawal na teknik. Pakitanaw ka siya.
Kita na lang ito dito sa setting lang ko. Wala ko lang isang title basta kapag ako sa kinakanaw ako. Ngunit sa title eh. Sa pala.
So guys, I am so sleepy and I am so groggy because I've been sleeping early in the past weeks, like around 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. Bagsak na ako. So my body is asking for sleep now. Our arrival is like around 1 or 2, and then we have to take a bus to around 3.
Okay, so nakaland na kami. Muli na Johnson. Pwede na muli. Kapoy. So fancy. Go guys. Unta makapasa mo sa exam. Manak ko.
Ito, marami ako.
Ah, di na piko ang gisulat. First things first.
Speed test ko.
Okay. So how am I gonna do this? One hand. Hey. What's this though? Oh my gosh, I don't know what that is.
Here.
Shao Ci，小次，那是道明寺。小次，我帮我讲道明寺。小次。拜拜拜拜。Flowers.
Yes, yung masawa rin.